Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, check the Python version so you know compatibility. Run Python version. Next, install the target language support, either a localization package or system locales using pip or your OS package manager. Create and activate a virtual environment to isolate changes. Make a quick backup of your project. Once done, ensure your requirements. TXT reflects newly added packages because reproducibility prevents later conflicts and makes rollout predictable and safe. You now configure localization inside your app and explain why each part matters. Import locale and set locale so string, date, and number formatting follow target conventions. This is essential for user-facing output. Use getExt or a similar library. Create PO files, translate text, then compile to. Moso Python can load messages efficiently. For web frameworks, wire up middleware or context processors to detect user language and persist choice. That ensures consistent behavior across requests and components. You finish by validating and hardening the change so it sticks. Run unit tests and perform manual UI walkthroughs to ensure strings, dates, and numbers render correctly. Test both expected and edge case locales. Make sure you include sensible fallbacks and confirm negotiation order. User preference, cookie headers, then default. If translation doesn't appear, check encoding, confirm compiled. Mo files exist and verify exact locale names. If problems persist, reproduce with a minimal script to isolate the broken step quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.